everybody. Welcome to Spill the Beans with Anjali. Like you spill the beans, I spill the sass. So today we have very two special guests with us who are sales experts in their field with incredible strength and determinations. So beyond their success in their industry, they both are loving wife, caring mothers, and devoted daughters. No matter what the challenge is, they faces it head on and comes out even more strong. So please welcome Ms. Kamini Talwar, Director at Iris Global Services, and Ms. Parvinder Kaur, Director at AeroPC Network and founder of Disha Shaping Dreams.
Thank you, Anjali, for inviting me to this forum. I'm honored, and I would like to share my journey in whatever questions you have.
So how's the feeling, ma'am, today? How are you feeling?
Well, if I describe my feeling in one word, is thrilling.
Oh my God. And why so?
Because my 4 decades have just gone by the flash of a movie, and it has been wonderful all throughout. But I would say that, a journey cannot just happen without struggles.
Yes.
So there have been ups and downs, but have faced every single thing as a transaction on a table.
Oh my God. So I think मेरे लिए आज एक बहुत ज़्यादा learning वाला session होने वाला है because I'm learning it from you and you're also inspiring so many ladies in our industry that I cannot tell. You'll be remembered by this. So thank you so much for giving all the women that platform that you are giving.
So I'm a founder member of IRIS. I started IRIS in 1996 with Mr. Sanjeev Krishan and Mr. Somaria. We 3 of us started IRIS. And prior to that, I was in Apple with an Apple distributor and created Apple channel in the country for 12 years, starting from the first Macintosh that came to India.
Oh, that's wonderful. So ma'am, please introduce yourself.
As you know, I am Parvinder Kaur, Director of AeroPC Network. We are IT integrators, and I am founder of Disha Shaping Dreams, where I want lady come with the dreams. Don't forget you don't have any dream. Please dream big and achieve that dreams.
Of course, as Malala Yousafzai said that one pen, one teacher, one woman, one diary can change the world. So we are here and making an impact to change the world. So let's get started.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Are you guys excited?
Yes. Yeah.
Perfect. So how's your feeling, ma'am, for today?
I'm so excited as ever. Whenever we come together, we always have so much fun and with chatting, talking, learning and inspiring others.
It's been almost 4 decades. Was there any time you thought कि अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, I need to take a step back?
No, never, because my attitude is never say die.
Okay.
So I have never said that ये नहीं होगा. So have surpassed every single thing with multiple rewards.
Okay, that's great. So ma'am, I was reading one of your blogs because मैंने अपना सारा homework complete करके आई. So you mentioned that you called yourself as a maximizer. So what's that? Can you please explain?
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Because I think that we can leverage from everything. In Hindi, I would say that tilon mein se bhi til nikalte hain.
Oh my God.
So if I get one business, then how do I create another business from that? So that is an art which I have really learned on the job, and I teach this particular attitude in everyone to leverage as much as you can. When you have created a mother which is strong, then maximize your earnings, your learnings from the same platform.
Wonderful. Everybody please take notes from her as she just explained why she called herself a maximizer like too much.
So, I'm a determined woman. When I make a decision, I don't listen to myself.
Bang on. So ma'am, it's been almost 2 decades. Was there any time that you thought कि अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, I need to take a step back?
No, Anjali, I have never thought of this word because this platform AeroPC Network gave me so much opportunity to just learn and grow. As you know everyone, मैं एक हाउसवाइफ थी. हाउसवाइफ से I have started my journey. हाउसवाइफ, एंटरप्रेन्योर, फिर उसके बाद मैंने अब फाउंडर. तो ये जर्नी बढ़ती जा रही है और आई वॉन्ट टू सी माई सेल्फ कि जहाँ मैं एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट करूँ जहाँ every woman will help at least 10 women.
Of course.
So I want to see everybody, don't use this line, अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, प्लीज मत, कभी भी मत सोचना.
एंड मेरी जनरेशन के लोग तो रोज कहते हैं कि मुझसे अब नहीं हो रहा है. वी हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू गाइस.
That's why I want you to say
एग्जैक्टली. सो रोज
and
सुबह
take interview for every inspiring
Yeah,
woman.
exactly.
So we can tell other women कि ये लाइन तो अब मुझे लगता है डिक्शनरी से हटानी चाहिए. Don't say and don't think about मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, मुझसे क्या क्या हो रहा है. We should add that thing. What I can do today, so people can learn from my teachings. So please add everyone कि what I can do better than yesterday.
श्योर. सो मैम, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं? जैसे एज परमिंदर मैम सेड कि आपकी जनरेशन को ये कभी नहीं सोचना चाहिए दैट ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
So, if we come to the new generation, there are a couple of things that I would like to give a message to them. That one, they lack discipline.
Of course.
They, in a very big way, they lack discipline, and they need to improve on that. And second is that they have done MBAs of all kinds, but they don't understand and they forget that the biggest value is following up vigorously and handling people, which they have forgotten. And they have done their beautiful MBAs, but they missed these 2 points. These 2 points are equal to one big MBA.
Yeah, true. I'm also pursuing MBA, by the way.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. It's a learning. It's a learning. It's a learning. It's a learning.
Don't forget.
Actually, आपको MBA यूनिवर्सिटीज में आपको डिसिप्लिन नहीं सिखाते हैं. They just आपको एग्जाम्स देना. You have to like study about marketing management. You have to study about accounts. You have to study about joint ventures and all. But still, since I am also pursuing my MBA from distance for sure. But ये I guess ये principles ये rules तो हमें experience and like women's like you, persons like you, such a senior level आप है उनसे ही मिलता है. So it's nothing about to be sorry. So it's a learning for everyone who all are watching our show. So yeah.
So I'll complete my other 2 points.
Yeah.
They are very dependent on technology. Whereas we may say that we count on fingers.
Of course.
We count
and
on
we need
fingers,
calculators.
and we can have the whole maths of our company in our in our own hands
Yeah.
and our hearts. So we don't need a computer to tell them where you are going wrong in the profitability or wherever. So we have great memories,
Yeah.
and we don't delete memories, right?
Because you guys doesn't even rely on technology.
Technologies. And number 4 is the communication styles.
Yeah.
Because they communicate digitally, while we cannot forget the impact of a face-to-face meeting.
Yes.
So that creates a big impact, and then your language comes packed with such strong words which you can communicate your business strategies to them.
Sure, for sure. And that's why I guess in sales, we guys are in sales, so we all prefer face-to-face meetings and all. I actually personally, मुझे भी virtual meetings and all. I am not that kind of a person. I can't be like open. I can't be in my element.
Yeah, for emotion-packed meeting, heart-to-heart meeting, you have to do face-to-face.
Because business relationship, I guess, you can build with face-to-face
Face-to-face
relationship. Unless ये बहुत challenging task हो जाता है customer side पे पहुँचना and all.
And you really understand the vibes.
Exactly.
And you convey the vibes.
For sure, you can understand the customer, that what's his need.
Absolutely.
His nature, of course.
Yeah.
Nature of business, everything. So moving on, in your experience, what unique strengths do women bring to the field of sales, and how do you capitalize on these strengths?
My favorite question. So women bring spice, color, energy
Yeah.
to the office environment, and without them there is no warmth in the office.
Exactly.
There's no emotion in the office. So and their multitasking ability cannot be replaced.
Yeah, of course, because we can
They
handle
are
both.
real multitaskers.
Yeah, of
we can
course.
keep all the balls in the air.
Yeah. And it's not like that कि हम मेंस को हम थोड़ा underestimate करने. Of
Yeah.
course, you guys are important in office also. We need to
Yeah.
say.
The other thing I have taught the women who have worked with me, that power of dressing is so important.
You feel confident enough.
Yeah.
I feel, look,
So, and I felt that power of dressing really gave me lot of benefits.
Of course.
And that I spread to my team, and they have all learned, and they have gone to big companies, to
Exactly.
HP, Dell. They have gone to various companies, and this attribute has helped them.
perfect. So same question for you, Parminder ma'am. In your experience, what unique strength do women bring to field of sales, and how do you capitalize on these strengths?
I think they are very multitasker. They can manage everything. They can bring everything to the table with the smile. So that is the reason I want more women to come in this sales, because I can see very less women in the sales purchase. And the head of the woman, I encourage every woman, please don't feel shy to learn from others. Please
course.
don't hesitate to talk, don't hesitate to ask questions. Please ask openly and learn from the other. This is the main key I think they can bring to the table.
Yeah, I guess that is agreed, totally agreed. So moving on, what steps do you take to address and mitigate any gender biasness or discrimination that may exist within the sales environment?
So our culture in IRIS has been neutral, gender bias. So there are no gender biases. People have, the women and the men both have taken, senior executive positions and very leadership positions. So there are no gender biases at all.
So ऐसा और like you have heard like आपके ही किसी same company like आपकी जैसे कि same distributor, you can say partner, OEMs, you have heard any such cases जहाँ पे gender biasness you think?
I think that is of the past. It's in the hand of a woman, how she wants to project herself. If she's projecting herself in a very confident way, even men will feel threatened.
Yeah, of course.
Even men will feel threatened.
Yeah,
So
agreed,
it's how you
agreed.
present yourself, it's in your own hands.
Sure. So as a sales master, how do you mentor and coach aspiring female sales professionals to help them achieve their full potential?
Okay. I always advise women who are in sales that first of all, your selection of the spouse is 80% of your problem solved. If you have selected the right spouse, your 70 to 80% problem is solved because your support system is there.
Oh, yeah, right.
Doesn't let her, nobody to dim her smile.
या थोड़ा एग्री करती हूँ बिकॉज एक सपोर्ट वो कहते हैं ना हर एक कामयाब आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है बट आई से हर एक कामयाब औरत के पीछे एक आदमी का भी हाथ होता है मैं तो इससे बहुत ज़्यादा
Selection of a spouse is very important. If in the beginning, before they select the spouse, they are mindful of the facts that they want to have a career.
या ऑफ कोर्स
And after that, the biological clock and the career clock are clashing with each other. Because that is the time you're producing kids, you're becoming motherhood, you're getting into motherhood, and here your career is growing. So how do you manage both the things? So in that case, the women have to see that the selection of the spouse was good. Secondly, it's a very hard word to use, that she has to outsource her motherhood, meaning the children. The preparation for the back house has to be done very carefully.
Of course,
so that she
of
can
course.
focus on her work.
Of course, because काफ़ी I guess हम मेरी generation की लड़कियाँ who are also like building their career and it's time, of course you mentioned about the biological clock. Someday I'll also get married. So one thing जो मेरे भी दिमाग में आ रहा है that how like I'll do everything कि कहीं मैं यहाँ पे अगर ज़्यादा अपना एफर्ट डाल रही हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरा करियर ज़्यादा पीछे तो नहीं रह जाएगा. If someday I'll conceive my kid and all, मेरा वो जो 1 साल का वो जो 2 साल का टाइम पीरियड है जो मेरा पीक करियर का है वो उससे मैं ये पीछे तो नहीं रह जाऊँगी. सो दैट्स द क्वेश्चंस जो आई गेस मेरे जैसे कि हर फीमेल एस्पायरिंग सेल्स प्रोफेशनल के लिए आते होंगे दिमाग में. एंड आई एम टोटली अग्री विद इट कि लाइक सिलेक्शन ऑफ स्पाउस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आपकी 80% problems as you mentioned वो अपने आप ही solve हो जाती हैं.
And Anjali, today, with the government giving 6 months maternity leave, and in our days we had no maternity
Exactly.
leave, hardly
How
maybe
do you
30
manage?
days.
I wanted to know about it.
So I have come back after C-section deliveries after 18 days back to office.
Oh my God, that's exactly.
So after 18 days, I was back to office. Because you can't leave a child, even the child is your 50-year-old child. It's very tough for a mother to leave the child.
Sure.
So you leave the child then.
18 days old.
Yeah. So because the preparation was done,
Exactly.
the back end was prepared
Okay,
for the
but
children.
it's a very like hard decision for you
It's a hard
being a
decision.
mother because at the same time you wanted to
Because
enjoy
a
that
mother
motherhood also.
never wants to leave a child.